morning everyone. Today we will be discussing about the transmission medium. It's nothing but the data which is being transmitted from one end to another end. How do you transmit? What is the way in which you are said to be transmitting the information from one end to another end? There are two ways, you all know it. One is the wired and the wireless medium. So let us discuss the wired and the wireless medium today. So in the wired and wireless medium, you all check out here what is the importance which is being given to the wired and wireless importance. Okay, mainly you can say wired and wireless are nothing but the guided and the unguided medium. So mainly it depends on the medium, how quality it is said to be given, what type of quality of information is being transferred, and how much it is being transferred. That importance is being given. And for the guided medium, it is said to be most important. It is reliable on that particular quality of that particular medium. Okay, whereas unguided, it's not quality, it's the frequency which is said to be important, and the antenna, how it is able to transmit the information from one end to another end. And the main key concern, it is dependent on your data rate at which the information is being transferred in particular distance. Okay, so that is said to be your guided and unguided media. Remember, okay, these two concepts, wired and wireless, are guided and unguided medias. Okay, so the various design factors on which your guided and unguided media are designed, it is dependent on your bandwidth, at what rate the information is being transferred, and attenuation, whether it is said to be disturbing too much, that it is said to be concerned, and interference of the noise. Attenuation, it is the drop of amplitude, and interference is nothing but your noise, is said to be your interference. And the number of receivers, when I am designing something, I'll check out, okay, how many receivers at the other point are there. If it is multi-point, I have to check out with other aspects how to deal with the multi-point aspect, whether it is said to be deteriorating the competition of the information is being transferred, or whether the attenuation is proper or not. That we will be checking, plus even we will be checking about the interferences which are there in the multi-points. That it will be there. In that factors, the designing of the various medias it is being done. Okay, so here a spectrum of how the information is being dealt in various aspects, that we will be learning. So the design says what? Here you can see the twisted pair is there from 10 to the power of 2 to 10 to the power of 8. Coaxial is 10 to the power of 3 to 10 to the power of 9. That frequency is there. AM radio, FM radio, it is between 10 to the power of 5 to 7, and FM radio is between 7 to 9, 10 to the power of 7 to 9, and whereas microwave, it is between 10 to the power of 9 to 10 to the power of 11. That frequency it will give. Even the terrestrial, your satellites also give from 10 to the power of 9 to 11. Whereas your infrared rays, it gives about 10 to the power of 12 to 10 to the power of 14 frequency. And visible light, the optical fiber, it is the most important one nowadays, which frequency is higher than all the aspects. That is 10 to the power of 14 to 10 to the power of 15. So everywhere you can check out nowadays the cablings which are being done, underground cablings, they are said to be using the optical fibers. It doesn't damage anything, it doesn't break up very easily. All those concepts are there. So the optical fibers are the most important one which is said to be dealt nowadays. Okay, the important aspect nowadays which is being used is satellite. You use it for mobile communication, but most important thing is your optical fiber. Okay, so in the guided media you have various types. One is twisted pair, coaxial cable, and the optical fibers. So in this today we will be dealing about only two, that is the twisted and the coaxial cables. Okay, so what are twisted pairs? The characteristics you can see out. What does a guided media do? In the twisted pair, you can see the frequency is between 0 to 3.5 and 2 kilometers it is, and whereas twisted pair is about 10 to 1 megahertz, means multi-pair cables, it is about 2 kilometers. Coaxial cables is 0 to 500 megahertz frequency is there, and it covers about 1 to 9 kilometer. Whereas optical fiber, you can check out, it has the very important frequency 186 to 370 terahertz. Okay, and its repeater spacing is between 40 kilometers. That is the importance which is being given to an optical fiber. Okay, so this is how a twisted pair, how it will be designed. You can check out, this is the design of a twisted pair. You can see in various cablings they will twist the wires, that is called as the twisted pair. It is said to be separately insulated within the wires, okay, twisted together, and it is often bundled with the cables and installed in a building, mainly in the construction part. You are using the twisted pairs. Okay, so twisted pair applications is used in the most common mediums. Everywhere it is being used, and it is most commonly used in the telephone network, in the household telephone network, and it is used in the local exchange. It is being used, and it is used in the private branches, private buildings. It is being used, and it is used in the local area networks from 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps. It is being used. Okay. Why it is said to be important here? Twisted pair, it is said to be cheap than others. It works easily, and the low data rate. It has the one disadvantage is that it has low data rate and it has the shortest range. Okay. And twisted pair, the transmission characteristics, the amplifiers, they carry the information from 5 kilometers to 6 kilometers, and digitally, analog and digital signals are being carried out, analog to digital, that it is being carried out, and repeaters are involved from 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers. Means what? You need multiple repeaters in between when you are using the twisted pairs, and it has the limited distance, limited bandwidth, limited data rate, and it is said to be susceptible to interference. Means what? If little noise is also there, it gets disturbed, your data gets disturbed. Okay, so those are the twisted pairs, and it is used in the concept of near and cross talk, coupling of signals from one pair to another pair when you are sending the information nearby. So it has the problem when it is being transferred nearby. It has like disturbances will be there in between. They cause damage to the information that happens in the coupling of the signal, and the receiver signal may go in between only if any problem exists. Okay, near transmitted signal is picked up near receiving pair. Okay, nearby signals it can receive, not for a longer distance. It is said to be suitable for your twisted pair. So twisted pair is of two types. One is the unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. It is said to be ordinary telephone wires will be using. It is cheapest, easy to install, and it has more disturbance. And there is shielded twisted pair. It is using a metal braid over it. Means what? It has a covering over it. The twisted means what? A layer it would be there over the wires and reduces the interference. Noise is less. Little bit more expensive than that of this one and harder to handle than the previous one. Okay. There are other two categories in the UTP unshielded. There is category 3, 4, 5. Here it is about 16 megahertz. Okay, your category 3. Voice grade is used more. It is used in offices. Its length is 7.5 to 10 centimeters. And here it is about 20 megahertz, your category 4, category 5, 100 megahertz, and it is said to be pre-installed in various buildings. Mainly it is used in building construction. Okay, so twisted length is about 6 centimeters, 0.6 centimeters to 0.85 centimeters. 5, it is still enhanced. 6, 7 also are said to be enhanced. Okay, you can see other concepts like 1, 2, 1, 4, 16, 25, 100 and 300 frequencies. You have category 3 is this, it has this frequency. Okay, and here also category 5 has this frequency of attenuation disturbance, and your 150 ohm STP shielded, it has this attenuation. Near and crosstalk means what? Nearby, how much it is said to be dealing with. It is this one frequency, and 3, 5 and 152 ohm STP, that it has this frequency. When you consider nearby, okay, concept that it is handling with the frequencies. Whereas twisted pair with categories and classes, that is your, it has the bandwidth, cable type and the link cost, 16 Hertz, 100 Hertz, megahertz, all these till 600 megahertz it carries. It uses the UTF or the SSTP, shielded. Okay, that it will be using, and it has the link cost of about 0.7, 1, 1.2, 1.5 and 2.2. This is your twisted pair. Okay, next you will be learning about the coaxial cables. These are the coaxial cables. Okay, coaxial cables, how it will be in this format. It has various layers within that. So you have the outer layer, outer sheath covering which covers your wire. Then you have the outer conductor that it will be helping out in a braided shield. It will be more providing more security for the wire. Then insulation, it will be like whatever heat will be generated, that it will be protected through the insulation cover. Okay, and you have a inner conductor. Okay, mainly it is helpful for the covering of your wire, so it doesn't get disturbed for a longer period. Okay, so for that reason it is being used. This is the structure of a coaxial cable. Okay, the coaxial cable, it is said to be more versatile. Okay, it is used in the television distribution. You have the aerial TV or the cable TV, it is being used. It carries the information till 10,000 kilometers simultaneously, and it is being mainly, these are being replaced by the optical fibers, but little bit more advantageous over the twisted pairs. Okay, and it has a shortest distance for the computer system links, and it is used in the local area network. Okay, and the coaxial cable, its transmission characteristics, it uses the amplifiers for few kilometers. It has a higher frequency nearby, and up to 500 megahertz frequency is there, and repeater, it is used every 1 kilometer, and closer for higher data, still closer repeaters are being used. Okay, this is the concept of coaxial cable and the twisted pair, and optical fiber we will be dealing it tomorrow. Okay, thank you.